Hi everyone, and welcome to the first video of Canva Crash Course. In this video, I'm going to explain what Canva is and show you how to sign up for it. Let's get started. Canva is a free graphic design platform where users can choose from different professionally designed templates to create visual content such as logos, posters, social media graphics, and more. From these templates, users can also edit the designs and use their own content, such as photos or graphics, using Canva's drag and drop interface. This means you'll be able to move visual content that they have available to use onto your own workspace. Canva also has a library of free photos and other graphic content that you can include in your work. Canva is free, and users can have access to most of their visual elements, fonts, photos, and backgrounds. To sign up, go to canva.com. From there, you'll see the home screen with the box in the middle saying Get Started with Canva. They have several options for you to sign up. They have a sign up with Google, sign up with Facebook, or you can sign up with your email. For this video, I'll go ahead and click on Sign Up with Email. Once you choose an option, it'll bring up another window where you can fill out your information. You'll type in your name, your email, and you can create a password for your Canva account. If you choose Sign Up with Facebook or Google, it will ask you to log into either your Facebook or Google account, depending on what you chose. Once you've filled out the information, click on the Get Started, It's Free button. And there you go. You've created your free account with Canva, and now you can log in. Canva is a great platform to create interesting and unique designs with an easy-to-use interface. It's perfect for people who don't have a formal background in graphic design, but need or want to create their own designs. That's it for this video. In part 2 of the Canva Crash Course, we'll go over some of what Canva offers and how to navigate the homepage. Thanks for watching.